How to make and create typography logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find the one that we are searching for, typography logo. Click on see all and now choose a template. Let's choose, for example, this one. It looks so professional, as you can see. You can change the text how to like this. It's so professional, as you can see. And yeah, after you finish editing, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later.